Hello, all together, diabetics friends. Yesterday in Turkish, I did a video about the health of the eyes because for everybody very important too. Now in English for you, please be careful your eyes. You love your eyes. Special for the diabetics need to each one 3 months or 6 months uh, control of the retina. There is a special thing just for diabetics to, before to catch the if you have a problem. Uh, Please you be careful your eyes is very important for you and for everybody. Today is okay, bye.